What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at Vrbo.com and I'm going to be showing you how to review a guest on this specific website, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically Vrbo has a review option. If you have a property listed, at any time, you can view all upcoming and past reservations in the review page. After your guest checks out, you can review them on this page. So basically, if you haven't reviewed a guest within 3 days of each completed stay, you will receive an email containing a link to submit a guest review. So basically, reviews can be edited after they have been submitted, and you can only review guests from completed stays of which the 14-day window has not closed. So how to do it? So basically, you can go through the property option and select reviews. Locate the guest you want to review and select Rate Traveler in Action tab, then select Rate Traveler again. Rate your guest by selecting a star rating for each category, including overall experience, cleanliness, house rules, and communications, among other. Simply press save and you done it. You successfully reviewed and rate your guest. So guys, overall that's it for today's video, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.